Here's a quick video on how to change your side mirror on a 2007 BMW X3. Pry off this wood trim that goes here into the middle. You're gonna have two screws, one here at the top and one here down below. I believe there's a screw. Yep, there's a screw in there. Basically, you just gotta pry into the edges. Start at the bottom. As you can see, you see these edges here? You just pry in, start at the bottom, pry in the edge right here, slowly move up, pry, and start pulling, and it'll come off. These are T25 Torx, both of them here. Need an extension to get in here. Then pop this airbag clip out. There should be another screw in there, or a T25, I believe. We'll check right now. To get the T25 screw out, you will have to use something like this. T25 with a long nose, because this here is not gonna fit. Next, there's another screw here at the bottom. Right here, you just pop this one out. Once you get that T25 screw down out, just pull up here and this should just clip off, which will give you access to a couple clips here. It's actually just one clip that you pull out like this. Pull out that little nozzle out, pull it out, and it clips right into here. And then once you pull that little nozzle out, he'll pry back and he'll come off. You can use something like this to help yourself to pull that little nozzle out. Then you will have access to the back. You'll have to unscrew this one, and this one right here. Right there. You'll have 3 screws. Make sure you pop the plug out, and you should be able to pull it straight out. You see mine was damaged, broken. I just painted a new one. Bought one at a junkyard for 50 bucks. It was green, painted it white. It's drying right now. By the time I get this off, it should be dry, and I'll put the new one on.